So every pool robot claims that it can clean your entire pool, but most of them only do one thing well. Some clean the floors, some climb the walls, and almost none of them actually really cleans the waterline or the surface. But the new Beatbot Sora 70 claims that it can handle all of it, and today we're definitely putting it to the test. So we're gonna jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so here's the box itself, and it seems like it's a generic box. So I'll confirm with Beatbot to see if this is a production package or if they'll be doing something else once this rolls out. But pretty standard box. Open it up. First thing you're going to see is a quick start guide. This is a huge quick start guide, but it's going to tell you everything you need to know to get the robot up and running. Below that, we're going to have another package. This is going to have the full manual as well as some warranty information. And of course, we're going to have a retrieval hook to pull the robot out. It's in the cases where you need to get it from the bottom of the water. And next we're going to have the charger. This is a very unique one. You can see the contacts on each side. So I'll show you how that goes on the robot here in a little bit. But as far as just the specs of the charger, output is going to be 28 volts at 2.3 amps or 64 watts. Right away, this feels more premium than a lot of pool robots I've tested. Nice color scheme, nice looking paint, looks premium, oversized track, and the brushes are aggressive, and overall the build just feels designed for some serious pool cleaning. So one thing the Beatbot really focuses on here is intelligent navigation. The Sora 70 uses ultrasonic sensors to constantly map and understand the pool environment while it's cleaning. Also in the front, we are going to have the JetPulse system, which plays a major role in the robot's water surface cleaning performance, which I'm going to show you here in a little bit. So as far as the filter basket, there's a little tab, you just press on it, opens up, then you can pull out the entire basket. Now this is a unique looking basket. As you can see, it does have an inner mesh as well as an outer mesh, and this accommodates both the surface cleaning as well as the regular underfloor cleaning. For filtration, you get a large 6-liter basket with a standard 150 micron filtration. Also, there's support here for an optional 3-micron filter if you think you need something that's a little bit finer. Now, this is a cordless robot cleaner. It's rated for pools up to 3,230 square feet, and it's built for both above ground as well as in-ground pools, and it supports basically all pool shapes, guys. If you have something that's rectangular, that's round, that's kidney shaped, even free-form pools, it's going to do a great job mapping it and then cleaning it in its entirety. As far as the charging port is in the back. There is a trap door that just pushes down. You can see the charger itself. It has contacts on each side, so you just got to slide it in and then you're good to go. Now this features 65-watt fast charging with a full recharge taking about 4.5 hours, and powering everything is a large 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Now runtime is actually one of the strongest features here. For floor, wall, and waterline cleaning, you can get up to 4.5 hours of runtime. For floor only cleaning, you can get up to 5 hours, and for surface cleaning, you can get up to 7 hours of continuous operation. Now as far as controls, you do have a slider button in the middle. All you got to do is slide it to one side or the other, and it will automatically go to one of two options. You do have the Pro mode. The Pro mode is going to clean floor, walls, and waterline, and then goes to surface cleaning. The standard mode is going to clean your floors, your walls, as well as your waterline. So those are the two options on the vacuum itself. However, this also has a nice application that gives you additional options. So connecting to the application is pretty straightforward. I was able to add it here in a couple minutes. And within the application, you can see you do have a nice layout of your pool itself. And you do have the remote option, which we'll go over here in a little bit. And we do have a park option. Now below that is where you choose your different modes. So if you click on that, you can see you have the Pro mode up top, where you can go ahead and just set the entire cleaning, including the surface. But if you also wanted to do just individual, maybe you want to do a quick floor cleaning or a quick water line or just surface cleaning, you can go ahead and do so. And last but not least, you do have the eco mode. With the eco mode, it cleans the floor for 45 minutes and stays there to auto run every 48 hours and returns when the battery is low. I think between the application and the robot itself, it does cover all the bases, but you do have the option within the app where you can just set what cleaning is, and every time you boot the robot up, it will automatically go to that last setting. So let's jump into the features of this robot. The first one that we're going to talk about is the SonicSense AI Navigation. Now this is one of the standout features of the robot. It uses Beatbot SonicSense AI ultrasonic obstacle avoidance system. How this works is the robot constantly sense ultrasonic signals and process real-time feedback to intelligently recognize obstacles and optimize your cleaning paths. So you can see there it is doing S pattern just to make sure it covers everything, and it even dynamically adjusts its S-shaped cleaning pattern depending on the pool layout. So using tighter movements in corners and longer passes in open areas, and honestly you can actually see the difference on how this intentionally moves. As far as the floor cleaning for this, I wanted to just test it out, throwing some trash, some wires, some dirt. Just want to see how good of a job this will do. So as far as the cleaning test, we're starting on the floor because this is where most cleaners either impress me or they completely disappoint me. So we can see there so far the performance is really solid, guys. It's handling the dirt, it's handling the cut pieces of wire, the finer debris without slowing down or clogging, and the coverage pattern looks pretty much consistent compared to random paths that other cleaners normally use. Let's jump over to the wall and waterline test. Now, wall climbing is one thing, but actually cleaning the waterline properly is where a lot of robots struggle. The Beatbot Sora 70 maintains traction very well and actually spends time scrubbing the waterline instead of just touching it briefly and moving on. And good thing about this is that it does scrub a piece of the wall, goes back down, and then scrub the rest of it, and it just continues to do this until the entire wall is cleaned. Now over to the surface cleaning test and the JetPulse technology. This might honestly be one of the coolest features on this entire robot. Most pool robots completely ignore the surface, and you know that if you're actually have a pool that isn't screened in, that's one of the main areas that's going to get dirty, it's going to get leaves, it's going to get bugs. And even mine that's screened in, I still see lizards, I still see little ants, I still see little insects floating around, spiders. So this is definitely a must-have in my opinion. So with most other robots, even if they do a good job on the wall, the waterline, and the floor, it ignores the top, so you still end up manually skimming leaves every day. But the Beatbot Sora 70 includes JetPulse water surface cleaning. Now, if you take a close look at this, guys, the twin jets create convergent water flows that actively guides floating debris directly into the center of the suction. And visually, you can actually see that the water movement is pulling debris together and collecting it in the basket. And with up to 7 hours of runtime in surface cleaning mode, this thing can continuously skim debris from the top layer of your pool. And again, with 7 hours, that's enough to cover everything, to get everything out. That way you don't have to do it manually. So another thing that this pool cleaner does that I haven't seen on another pool cleaner yet is it cleans platforms that are shallow. So most pool cleaners will clean the water lines, they'll clean the walls, but if it comes to a platform like I do have a sun deck, it completely ignored those and just go back down. So you end up brushing that manually. This was also thought of with the Sora 70 that can actually clean your pool in water as shallow as 8 inches. Another thing I need to mention is that this also has a remote control built into the application. As you can see there, this allows me to control the vacuum while it's on top of water. So you can see I'm moving left, right, forward, back. Controls it very well. I should let you know that this really only works when it's in surface cleaning mode or when it's in really light depth of water, because once the robot goes underneath the water, the network signal is going to be lost. So this is best suited for surface cleaning. Now within the same application, we do have the ability to go to park mode. Also, when the cleaning cycle finishes, the Sora 70 does support smart parking, so the robot would automatically park near the pool edge for an easier retrieval. Now removing the pool cleaner is another thing that was actually thought of with the SmartDrain technology. This automatically releases water from the robot while lifting it out of the pool. That way it's not too heavy for retrieval. And honestly, this makes a noticeable difference, because even though the robot itself feels solid and premium, removing the water weight just makes it lighter and easier to lift out with one hand. So after testing the Beatbot Sora 70, this honestly feels like one of the most complete robotic pool cleaners that I've used. The combination of the long battery life, the smart AI navigation, JetPulse surface cleaning, and true multi-zone coverage makes this feel like a genuine all-in-one pool cleaning system. So I'll definitely leave a link where you can go ahead and check it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.